Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and here we go. Now I'm excited about this. This is the SRPD027. I'm interested to see how this new Seiko monster looks. And there we go. Get a closer look for you guys. And nice. Black face, black rubber strap. Move it around here a little bit so you guys can check it out. So here we got the Seiko monster. Again, black face, black strap, and black bezel. Really nice looking watch. Simple, and I'm glad they started this new generation here with doing the black on black. You know, kind of like they did with the Turtles and the SRP027. Now this watch here is nicknamed the Monster. Now, the Monster is kind of like an alienating watch. There's a lot of people who love it and are crazy about it, and there's a lot of people that don't like it. So you go either way with this watch, but I think this new model is a little less drastic as the older ones. They've really cleaned it up a lot. It looks like a tight, nice, clean watch now. Now, personally, I've never been a big fan of the Monster watch, especially some of the later generation stuff that they did. My favorite of the Monster series is the orange Monster, and here you can see on a lot of new dive watch they have the ISO standards tag on the watches just to show that they are real professional dive watches, so that's cool. But back to the Monster, I really like this new generation of the Monster style. They kind of kept the good things from each generation and kind of perfected the watch here. Gone are some of the weird hour markers they had. Some people nicknamed them like shark teeth. They've gone for, you know, a cleaner look altogether. And this is really a tool. This is a utilitarian style watch. Just clean and slick. It doesn't have the history like a turtle would, and it's not as style forward, I guess, as the Samurai. But the Monster, it does what it does, and they've really killed it here. I think they've done a great job. So with some of the generations of the Monsters, they put in different movements. Some weren't as good as others, but this movement in these new Monsters are actually a 4R36, which is the same movement you'll find in the Turtle, and the 4R35, which is in the Samurai. They're similar. The only difference being the day date and the date. So it is an automatic watch, and 200 meters like most Seiko dive watches. Giving you a couple angles here to appreciate it. Spend a little more time on this because it's a reinvention of the Monster, so it's nice to get a good look at it. It's not as familiar as, let's say, the Turtle or the Samurai are. And we'll go to the wrist shot soon. There we go. Now, size-wise, it's almost the same size as a Turtle. So it is a little smaller than both the Turtle and the Samurai. This is actually about a 42 millimeter watch. It feels a little smaller because basically all you're looking at is the face and the bezel, and the way the lugs kind of curve under. Here we can see at the dark, like we know with Seiko, it's got the great loom. For those of you who are into switching bands, this one is a 20 millimeter band would fit this watch. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to check out a video here. Appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the watch.